I have come here to give a help to like fixing the problem of Docker issues in Mac OS. A couple of hours I have faced this, so I thought that it would be better if I help the community so that uh, those who are facing this kind of issue in their Mac OS, especially the Apple Silicon, uh, I should share with them. Let's deep dive. What is the scenario and what is the solution? So the scenario is in Apple Silicon Mac OS Docker desktop is not open. So first, in this case, we need to check if Docker processes are running or not. Then we will check our Mac OS version so that we can sure that what is the OS version in our system. Next, we need to check the hardware type, like it is Intel or Apple Silicon. So by this command, we can all of the information in our hand so that we can get proceed. So this information is main focus point is like to give a solution accepting the Docker desktop because this Docker desktop is needs several times lots of troubleshooting to work in macOS. So here is a better option or alternative uh, accepting this Docker desktop. So let's move on this alternative. Complete cleanup process. We need to first need to complete uh, cleanup process by uninstalling the Docker version if in our PC has this previously by homebrew Docker package because it will it must be conflicting. Okay, that's why we need to uninstall first. Then remove Docker desktop application, clean up all Docker configuration files like group.com Docker files, Docker files, desktop files, state, which are already in our system if we install Docker desktop in our OS. Then we need to remove socket and temp file. So please try those command for those and you will get the operation successfully. Then kill any remaining Docker process if there is any. So if there is no Docker process, then you will get some nothing found this kind of formatting, not found this kind of information, which is really good. Next, we need to install Rosetta, especially for M1, M2 Macs. Okay, so that software update can be handled by this Rosetta. Next, we need to move our alternative. Colima is the alternative of Docker Desktop, which is very lightweighter. So we need to install Colima and Docker CLI via Homebrew. This is the command. Next, we need to, when successfully installed, we need to start Colima using 2 CPU and 4 memory. If we do not use this flag, it will by default start it. Then we need to verify the Docker is works or not, like Docker version and the Docker basic operation run hello world. If it gives response, then it is looks good. Then this is for especially beginner, like some essential Docker commands to play with this. So let's try this from your side. So pull an image, run a container, do the commands, check running containers, stop and remove containers, list images. Those are basics or fundamentals of Docker. Yeah, in this journey we can face some common issues, so let's try if you face this issue also you can comment here so that I can help you directly. So if calling out not start in by any case by resetting by this command, and of course if Docker commands fail with permission issues, try to give permission by this command here. Don't sometimes actual username will work. Try this from your own, and you can see the Colima logs. So managing Colima command, Colima start and start Docker. So by this process, we will use Colima as alternative Docker desktop. So the main advantages of this Colima is very much lighter weight than Docker desktop, and it is better stability in comparison of Docker desktop on Apple Silicon Macs. less resource issues. Yeah, there is no graphical user interface, but full Docker CLI compatibility, which is good for dev and DevOps also. Works well with existing Docker Compose projects, so don't worry about that. No login required, unlike Docker desktop. So let's try this process if you face same issue in your Mac OS, and let me know if there is any problem you have faced to execute those. Okay, see you then.